Blessed is he who is born in those days, to see the good of Israel which God shall bring to pass in the gathering of the tribes. Testament of Simeon 7-2. The frequency, 417 Hz. The frequency of intent and facilitating change. To receive this decree, we align with 417 Hz. This is the forensic frequency for undoing situations. The gathering of the tribes is not a mere meeting. It is a legal and spiritual undoing of thousands of years of dispersion and exile. 417 Hz clears the traumatic energy of being scattered and replaces it with the frequency of restoration. It cleanses the DNA of the matrix noise that tells you that you are alone, providing the energy to facilitate the massive physical change required to build the sanctuary and see the good manifest in your reality. The scriptural breakdown, the standing of the witness. Blessed is he who is born in those days. This opening is a forensic marker of timing. In the excluded 22, those days refers to the specific window where the matrix is failing and the 88 frequency is rising. To be born in those days is a high-level security clearance. It means your biological vessel and your spirit were specifically commissioned for the transition. You aren't just an observer, you are a participant in the birth of the world to come, the cognitive shift, to see the good of Israel. While the world is focused on the chaos of the kings of the East and the collapse of the eagle, the few are granted a different vision. To see the good is the restoration of cognitive standing. It means your eyes are tuned to see the blueprint of the kingdom being laid down, even while the old world is being scrubbed away. Israel represents the true seed, the DNA that has returned to the original law, the decree of execution, which God shall bring to pass. This is the legal execution clause. It shifts the burden of performance off of human effort and onto divine contract. It confirms that the shift, including the securing of the sanctuary land, is a done deal in the courts of heaven. Our job is to maintain the frequency. The Most High is the one who brings the physical reality into manifestation. The Great Return. In the gathering of the tribes, this is the final forensic event. The tribes are the family lines that were scattered across the matrix. The gathering is the magnetic pull toward sovereignty. It is the assembly of the community land trust, the sharing of the well water and the unity of the few. The dispersion is over. The gathering is the physical sign that the law of the Most High is once again the governing frequency of the land. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Sion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.